This is the unboxing of the HTC One M9, and today is April 22nd, 2015. I received this compliments of Verizon from the VZW Buzz program, and actually has my name on it, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. So the box has kind of a texture on it. Check out this side too. Has some information about the phone, and it has, and it's a square with rounded corners. And then the inside box is white with just an embossed HTC on it. A little bit over. There's nothing on this side. I'm going to open that up. And here. So first we see protection. There's free phone replacement within the first 12 months for cracked screen or water damage. Or if you don't need a replacement, we'll give you $100 toward the purchase of your next HTC One. So that's really cool that that has, it's completely separate from any sort of Verizon plan that there is for this protection. And I have never had a cracked screen, and I haven't had any water damage to any of my phones, knock on wood. But it's really cool to know that you can go right to HTC if you do have that problem, instead of worrying about your phone plan or paying for another phone when you can't renew your contract or something like that. So this is the HTC One M9, and this is the cover, the little plastic sheet that comes on the phone. It's showing the front camera, micro SD card tray, volume, SIM card tray. It says the 4G LTE SIM card is pre-installed, and the power button. And then it shows the charging port. And there are some diagrams on the back too. And then it also comes with a get to know your phone and a little HTC, looks like it might be a micro, like something to put in the micro SIM card slot, I'm not sure. But it comes with all the documents from Verizon for this phone. So you have the get to know your phone, HTC One. And then in Spanish, global support information and toll-free numbers, and product safety and warranty information. Then in the box is HTC some earbuds, black. Now let's use another pair of those. And this is micro USB cord. And the part that plugs into the wall, that open. And that's it. So now I'm going to slide this cover off to see what it looks like without that plastic on there. And this is the silver and gold model, so you can see from the side that it has like a gold edge around it, and then it's silver on the back, and then that gold edge goes all the way around. And before starting up the phone, it does need to be charged, so I won't turn it on in this video, but that concludes the unboxing. So here is just a recap of what there is. There's all the different paperwork and product information. A micro USB cord, the part that plugs the charger into the wall, earbuds, information about the protection. And the phone. So that concludes the unboxing of the HTC One M9. Thank you very much.